Lemongrass is a type of grass frequently used by humans. Its most common use is as a kitchen spice. This plant, also known as citronella, grows in tropical regions, including Indonesia. This vegetation resembles weeds. However, there are many differences between weeds and lemongrass. One of these is their growth pattern. Lemongrass grows in large clumps, while weeds do not. There are two known species of lemongrass: common lemongrass, Symphogon citratus, and fragrant lemongrass, Symphogon nardus. The leaves and stems of this plant have a unique lime-like fragrance. The stems of lemongrass have a slightly spicy and bitter taste. Lemongrass plants have short roots consisting of numerous fibrous roots. They also have rhizomes, from which they reproduce and produce new plants. These clusters of plants then form large clumps with up to hundreds of stems. These round clumps can reach a diameter of 1 meter. Lemongrass has slender, elongated leaves that are dark green with a slight paler hue. The edges of the leaves can sometimes even have a reddish tint if exposed to sunlight. This plant grows to a height of about 1.5 meters. The leaves are the longest part, reaching up to 1 meter in length. The leaves can be up to 5 centimeters wide. Lemongrass stems consist of layered sheaths, similar to banana plants. The lower part of the stem is white, then gradually turns green towards the top of the stem. Lemongrass is also a flowering plant. It has long-stemmed flowers with elongated, resembling Kogan grass. This grass grows year-round, and its clumps can persist for years. It thrives in sandy soil, or what could be called peat soil. It also doesn't tolerate soil with high water content or waterlogging. Therefore, it requires a good irrigation system if planted as a crop on your farm. Although it's intolerant of soil with high water content, it does require constant watering. It also thrives in direct sunlight. Lemongrass can grow in lowlands to highlands at altitudes of around 600 meters above sea level. The optimal air temperature for this plant is cool, around 10 to 25 degrees Celsius, and a normal pH of 6 to 7.5. Utilization of lemongrass plants. This plant has numerous uses. The most readily available and widely used by Indonesians is as a kitchen spice. Examples of dishes that use lemongrass include coconut milk-based dishes with meat, such as gulai, rendang, opor, and so on. The stem is the part utilized for this purpose. In addition to the aforementioned benefits, which are widely used by Indonesians, lemongrass can also be extracted into essential oil. One use of lemongrass oil is as a topical oil that can protect the skin from mosquito bites. This is because it contains citronella, which mosquitoes dislike. Lemongrass oil can also be used as a calming aromatherapy fragrance. Applying this oil to the skin can also promote healthy skin by maintaining moisture, killing fungus, and treating other skin conditions. Lemongrass also contains many health-boosting nutrients such as antioxidants, antimicrobial and antifungal properties, anti-inflammatory properties, geraniol, methylphenone, eugenol, cadinol, limonene, iron, magnesium, phosphorus, folic acid, and many more. Crushed lemongrass stalks can also be used to warm the body and relieve bloating and flatulence. In addition to its warming benefits, consuming lemongrass in liquid form as part of a healthy drink or herbal medicine can also lower blood pressure and cholesterol, strengthen the nervous system, remove toxins from the body, treat diabetes, anemia, and many more.